Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Kane AI. So first up, once you're logged in, you can key into the prompt what you want for your app. So I'm going to just type it here. As you can see, create an app that summarizes all invoice prices. And once you do that, you just need to click enter and Kane AI will start working. So once it has processed, you can clearly see that the instruction was too vague. So what you're going to need to do is to create more specific prompts for them to build your app. So I'm going to type in here, gather company info and prices. I'm going to click enter. And you can see that I can run from this tab by using this option. And from there, you just need to create more prompts to fine tune your app so that Kane AI will be able to build your app according to your needs. And that is how you use Kane AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.